You're walking into a room, and there it is, a breathtaking tropical specimen of your favorite houseplant, devil's ivy, with leaves so massive they rival the size of a monstera. It's not a plant anymore, it's a statement piece, a centerpiece of natural beauty right in your home. But how do you get your humble pothos to grow like that? The secret might surprise you. It's simpler than you think and backed by both science and a bit of plant magic. Let's dive in. Pothos, or devil's ivy, is one of the most popular houseplants, known for its resilience and stunning variegated foliage. But to grow a giant pothos at home, here's the trick: propagation from the largest leafed branches of your plant. The reason this works so well lies in genetics. Some branches produce bigger leaves due to epigenetic expression, a trait influenced by the environment rather than the plant's overall DNA. By taking a cutting from these branches, you're essentially cloning that specific growth pattern. With the right care, the cutting will mirror each parent branch, producing the same large, beautiful leaves. To propagate, find a branch with at least 2 large leaves and a node. Nodes are those small bumps on the vine where roots can grow. Cut just below the node using sharp, clean scissors. Place the cutting in water, ensuring the node is submerged, and within weeks, roots will begin to sprout. Once the roots are a few inches long, plant it in soil for optimal growth. To truly mimic its natural rainforest habitat, provide your pothos with indirect light, high humidity, and a warm environment. These conditions encourage larger leaves and heavier vines. Adding a moss or core pole for climbing replicates how the plant grows in the wild, giving it the support to produce massive leaves. With a bit of care and the right propagation technique, you can transform this humble houseplant into a show-stopping tropical wonder. Don't forget to share your progress in the comments. I'd love to see your amazing results. Happy growing, and I'll see you in the next video.